How to translate any video into any language. I'm going to show you step by step in this video. You'll see it's quick and easy. There's nothing really complicated. Anyone can do it quickly and easily. So first step, you go to VoiceCheap.ai. I'm putting the link in the description. It'll be the first link. You click on Try for free. There you create an account in 5 seconds with Google. And you arrive on this interface. Then either you upload your video right here, for example, if you have a video on your phone, or if you're a content creator and you have your video on your desktop or in a folder on your computer, on your hard drive, you're going to drag your video here or click, open your desktop, there you go, your file, select it, import it. Or you can click directly on YouTube and then you'll insert the link to a YouTube video. Here are the last links I added. How to translate any video into any language. I'll show you step by step. Continue with the link to your YouTube video right here. Bam, continue. And right after that, you'll land on this page. So I took a video from Major Gerald to show how it works. You'll see it's very simple. On the left, the text in the native language. On the right, the text in the target language, knowing that you can translate into many languages within the same project. That means I'm going to do it live in front of you. Here we have French, here we have English. Okay, how do we add another language? We click on Tool. I'll do it slowly to show you clearly. Add a new language. Click here, and then you choose your language. For example, we'll set it to Italian, confirm. And then you wait a few seconds and the translation appears right away. Translation into Italian. And it's not just a quick and dirty translation done with a low-end translator. This is a contextual translation. So it's ultra precise, taking slang and expressions into account. Jokes. Irony. This isn't a low-end translation, it's a top-tier translation because it's contextual. So here we have our video, which has been translated textually into English and Italian. How do we get the final video now? Well, there are two approaches. There's the I don't have time approach. So you just click right there and click on translate in English, translate in Italian, for example. Or clearly you have the perfectionist team. Translate any video into any language, I'll show you. That way we properly show the whole tool. But just know that if you don't have the time in your projects, if you have a business to run, if you don't necessarily have the time to do all this on your own, know that you can contact us by email, in the chat, on social media. Just contact us right here, there. And we can offer to do everything for you. We can create YouTube channels in all languages, take your videos and translate them into all languages. We can even do thorough proofreading, video editing modifications. In short, that's more complicated, but it's doable too. If you really have big ambitions and you want absolute detail in your translated videos, we can do everything for you, 100% turnkey, or you can simply get a subscription to VoiceCheap. Try the tool for free. If you enjoy it, subscribe. Pricing starts at €29 but has no limit. When you use an API key with Facebook, Instagram or TikTok for bulk translations, you might pay not €400 a month, but 100,000, 200,000 euros, or even more. But it won't be done that way. We won't debate. If you're interested, we'll discuss it later on another channel. And if you have any questions about translation or the future, just comment below. We'll think about it, we'll rack our brains, we'll integrate the features you're asking for, and we move forward together. Simple, anyone does it.
Two models, grid and smooth. Mode. This one is offense, this one is defense.
Interface reached. We listen to the video while rechecking the text for native
So,
accuracy.
the offensive, you launch it when you go on the attack. It creates a big noise and smoke effect that helps to disrupt, destabilize the enemy, and allows you to advance. If, on the other hand, we throw it into the room, the blast effect will blow out our eardrums and will be hurled against the walls. We could get injured. But this one, the defensive one, it's the one that sends out deadly shrapnel up to 10 meters. They can be dangerous beyond 50 meters. But that one, if you blow it up here or something, for us, it's...
Caddy. live mistake, that's all. It was hidden, no ground beef. It's hard to tell, was it steak haché or c'était caché? We're not sure if he spoke too fast or meant something else. So here it's ground beef, I think that's what it is. Watch me translate any video in any language. So there too, there was the mistake, and there too. Simple, anyone can do it. Okay, here I added a speaker too because there was someone speaking. So here, we can click on retranslate locally right here, or you can click up top on just here in Tools Retranslate, either in English or in all languages. I'm going to retranslate in all languages, that'll be better. Once that's done, we send the translation right away. Bam! Then we switch from English to Italian with a single click like that. It takes just 2 seconds. We send the video in Italian, and in the meantime, we can totally add a new language. Come on, let's add Spanish. Bam! We confirm, we wait. The text is already there, and we can send it like crazy. Look, bam, 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 bam. We send, we send, we send. Everything is happening live before your eyes. We're not hiding anything. We're showing mistakes and problems live. We show all live, transparently. Anyway, the most important thing is to test the tool yourself, because seeing it like this in a video is nice, but you need to try the tool to really grasp its power. Test the tool, speak in front of your iPhone, in front of your phone. Speak for 30 seconds, 40 seconds about any topic. You upload the video onto your clips, you choose your target language, and then you'll see the result. You'll say, ah yeah, it works really, really well. When you see yourself speaking another language, you'll think, ah yeah, it's impressive, because I don't speak Chinese or Italian. I don't even know a language. Then you think, ah, it's incredibly powerful. So there you go. It takes a few seconds to translate a short video like this one. And I'll show you the final results quickly. If you want examples, feel free to check the description. We'll show you sample videos, the originals and their translations before and after. That gives you a clear idea. First, visit VoiceCheap.ai. The first link is in the description. Try the tool for free initially. This way, you can test it yourself on your own videos. You receive your result and form your opinion based on your personal tests rather than solely relying on a video. I'm showing you the tool and its power. The goal is for you to use it, for you to go test it out, and for you to perform thanks to our tool. The more you perform, the happier we'll be technically, and the more clients we'll have. Basically, we hope you'll perform at your best with our tool. If you want us to take care of everything for you, just let us know right here in the chat. It's possible. We can handle absolutely everything, creating the channels, developing your channels, even replying to comments. We can do it all in the world of translation. We can do everything for you. No problem at all. Contact us and we'll talk it all through. And finally, I think that's all. I recommend you give it a try. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you very soon in another video. Test your chips for free. And then see you very soon indeed, I hope. Simple, anyone can do it.